Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels on laptop or PC. So first thing first, we log into our Instagram, then you come to your profile. Okay, so now we're going to go to Reels. So we're going to find the Reel to download. So now that we've seen a Reel we would like to download, what you need to do next is press on this three dots, okay? Then you copy link. So once you copy the link, you open a new tab. So once you open up a new tab, you type in Instagram downloader search. Okay, so once it comes up, open this website right here that says FastDL app. Okay, then click on it. Alright, so once the app opens, right here it says insert Instagram link here. Then you click on pay, then you click on download. So it's gonna show up down here, search results, then you click on download right here. So as you can see, my the Reel I downloaded is being downloaded right here. Okay, so it's really simple and straightforward. So if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.